Hey guys, today we're going to make banana bread in my microwave. I have a convection microwave. It's an Electrolux and it has all these really neat elements on it where you can cook. And the one that we're going to use today is the Convection grill. Interesting thing about this microwave is that it comes with a removable metal rack. So this rack I just placed in here. You would think as a microwave, you should not use metal in the microwave. But when you put it on the convection setting, you actually have to have the metal. So your food can go up here and the air can circulate completely around it. All right, let's give it a try.
Everyone, today we're making banana bread. And so here's all the ingredients. And if you don't know how we're going to be making this, we're going to use it in the microwave.
That's right.
So this is butter. You can't cook with butter yet. You have to melt it in the microwave. Or if you want it on the stove, you could put it on the stove or the oven.
Okay, so we're going to melt our butter and then add some, what's this? Okay, Alex, what's this one? What's next?
Sugar.
Sugar. And then what are these? 1 cup and a 1/4 cup of what?
Flour and cinnamon.
Yeah, we got a little cinnamon in there. And what's in this little cup right here?
It's vanilla.
Vanilla. And what else do we have?
We have eggs and chopped up pecans.
And what's this mess over here?
It's bananas.
Are they extra ripe? They're kind of squishy, aren't they?
Very
Perfect.
squishy.
Perfect for banana bread.
But you can't eat them.
Yeah. Well, you could. They just wouldn't taste as good. But they're really good in banana bread.
Mm-hmm.
You ready to get started?
Cracking the eggs. Maybe a little bit more, because that doesn't look like enough. Oh, it's coming.
Oh, here's your paper towel. Did you get it?
Yep.
That's really good. Good job. We got one more, right?
Yep. Pour the sugar in.
To what?
The melted butter. And we have one more egg to do later, okay? You don't always have to do it later.
All right, we gotta stir it up.
Let's stir with my Spider-Man spatula, Amazing Spider-Man, and on the back it says POW. So let's see if it does POW. This up. Smells gross, but we have to add the egg now.
Okay.
Smells super bad. Well, let's take all our spatula, put it over here. Maybe it can dry off. Do we need it again? No, it's not gonna be long. Do we need it again? Now we do the other egg. Crack. That looks like enough.
Alex, why do we put it in a separate bowl?
That way, if there's any shell, it's easier for us to get it out from there and then from in there.
Okay.
I did that perfectly.
You sure did.
It was a tiny crack and I just squeezed it and it came out.
Good job. All right, you're gonna add that to our mixture?
Just let me wipe off my hands. Here's a good napkin. Wash. Now just pour it in. Now we smash the egg and then we stir it. Then we add the vanilla. Smash. Juicy.
What's juicy?
Add the flour and then the flour with cinnamon. Okay, let's pour this in. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That just came out as a circle. Now I'm just gonna move it around everywhere. Okay. Ugh! I'm just gonna stir it a little different for a second. This is a weird way of stirring.
That is.
At least all the cinnamon's gone in. Now let's use my spatula. Ooh, that looks good, and egg juiciness is popping out. Let's mash the bananas. You have to hold this. Oh, and by the way, you have to have a grown-up with you. The best way to do it is on the fork, pull backwards and then smash. Pull backwards and smash. Pull backwards and smash. Now we're gonna scoop the bananas in here. How good does that look?
Looks good.
Mommy also did it.
Okay, I'm gonna hold the bowl.
So juicy. So sweet, I guess. I don't know. Pour our nuts in. Now we have to stir them. It's gonna be pretty tricky because nuts, they're very hard. And they're very, very crunchy if you try to eat them.
They are crunchy.
For real, me and my brother and mommy love to eat nuts. And for us, it takes me like 5 seconds. No, I mean Evan 5 seconds to eat them. And for me, it takes me like, 1 minute to eat them. Because they're pretty hard. For mommy, probably 60 seconds. So, we're gonna pour this into this pan. This is a very breakable pan. So don't forget to ask a grown-up for help if you're making stuff. And never, ever eat anything that hasn't been cooked. It could be nasty. So this pan is not metal, so it's very safe for the microwave. All right, so my mama is now pouring this in to the pan, and then she's gonna put it in the microwave. And for the oven, it usually takes an hour, but for this, we don't know. My mom's putting it in the microwave. Wow, looks so good.
All right, so let's check it. It's not quite done, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it on convect for about 10 more minutes. So we'll hit the convect button. Again, the temperature on mine is listed right under, I want it 350, so I hit the number 6, hit the start button, and then enter the cooking time. So I'm gonna do 10 minutes. And hit start. Yes. All right, it's done. Let's check it out. Oh, it looks really good. All right, it's still just a little bit squishy in the middle. So I'm gonna turn it back on for a little bit longer. And I already did 10 more minutes, so we're going to do, hit start. We're gonna do about 7 more minutes. And we'll hit start. We'll see if it's done.
Mommy?
It's hot, just like an oven, so I have to use hot pads.
So always get a grown-up for help. Let's see what it looks like.
See if it's done.
That looks good.
Maybe a couple more minutes. What do you think?
It looks good to me.
Okay, well, I'm gonna put it for a couple more minutes to make sure that inside is really done.
What do
Wanna see
you
how I
guys
do
think
it?
it is? Comment down below.
Let's see, let's put it on for a few more minutes. We're gonna do 350 degrees, and then we're gonna do our minutes. Let's do about 5 more minutes, okay? There it goes. Let's see if it's ready.
This time I think it is going to be ready. Ooh, it looks good.
It does look
What
good.
do you guys think? Comment down below. Does it look good?
Okay, so here's our finished product. It's our banana nut bread. All right, Alex, what do you think? Do you like it?
I love it.
Evan, you want to try some bread? You want to try some banana bread? Alex, get him a little piece. All right. Let's see if he likes it.
very hot, but it's good.
What do you think, Evan? I think he likes it.
He wants more.
He wants more. Look, he wants Mommy's hand to get him some more. Want some more, Evan? I think he likes it, Alex. Good job, bud. Evan, did you get it?
Evan, do you like it? He can't talk, so it's just so to know if he likes it, he grabs his hand at us, one of us, and that means he wants more.
You want some more, Evan?
Want more?
Want some more?
Yep,
Yep,
he wants
he
more.
does.
We made good banana bread.
We did. Evan likes it.
That I got of this banana bread, it had a little nut in it, and it was a little pretzel.
Evan wants more, Mav.
Okay. I'll get you more, Evan.
Yum. Like that, Evan?
I'm getting some nut.
He likes the nuts, doesn't
More Evan.
he?
You like that?
Was it good? Evan wants some more? Yum.
Yummy in my tummy. Bye, everybody. Don't forget to subscribe. See you later. Bye.